Hi, families. I know a few people have been commenting about it's a little frustrating that there's so much writing for the kids to read in science and social studies. And when I was in a meeting with our tech guy, Lucas, yesterday, he reminded me of this. So I just wanted to show you. So this is about George Washington. This is in social studies this week. If you click this and this triangle play button,
The father of our country. Do you know why George Washington is considered the father of our country? What does it take to become a leader? How does someone grow up to be a leader? Sometimes it is being at the right place at the right time. George Washington became America's first president in 1789 through a series of important events. From his childhood on, his life prepared him to become a great leader. 2 of 7.
then you can just click next. And it will, so this I'm sure reads it to you. But even here, you can also just highlight. If you want to just know what that says, you can highlight just that and
George
click play.
Washington. The story. Listen to the story of George Washington to learn how he became such an important figure in American history.
Okay, so I think that can be really helpful for some families. And I just wanted to share. Thanks so much.